Thank you for doing that. That was very good of you. Give yourself a starfish on your starfish card. Now, what is our fourth step?
Count the number of boxes.
Right. Can you do that for us, Chelsea?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So how many boxes do we have?
8.
Great counting skills. What do we do for step number 5?
Write the number to show the answer.
And what is the number that's our answer?
8.
Did you do that for us, Chelsea?
Yeah.
Thank you. Excellent job. See, this isn't so hard once we get it down carefully and pay attention. All right. Let's see if we can remember our steps one more time. What's the first step?
Listen to the problem and read along.
Great job. What's the first step one more time?
Circle the 2 numbers.
Very good job, Chelsea. That's number 2. But what's step number 1?
Listen to the problem and read along.
Let's try that one more time.
Listen to the problem and read along.
Very good job. Can you read step number 2 for me, please?
Circle the 2 numbers.
Very good. Going to erase that. Sydney, what's our second step?
Circle the 2 numbers.
Very good job. Chelsea, what's our second step?
Circle the 2 numbers.
Great. All right, what's step number 3? Let's read that out loud together.
Draw boxes to show the 2 numbers.
Excellent. All right. Sydney, what's step number 3?
Draw boxes to show the 2 numbers.
Very good job. Chelsea?
Draw boxes to show the 2 numbers.
All right. Can you read step number 4 with me?
Count the number of boxes.
Very good. Who remembers step number 4? Chelsea?
Count the number of boxes.
Very good. Sydney, what's step number 4?
Count the number of boxes.
Excellent. And step number 5, let's read this one out loud together.
Write the number to show the answer.
Very good. And what if I erase this? Anyone remember it?
Right?
Good job raising your hand, Sydney.
Write the number to show the answer.
Thank you so much. All right, so let's see if we can remember our steps. Here is a new story problem. What is our first step, Chelsea?
Listen to the problem, read aloud, and read. Listen to the problem and read along.
Very good job. You caught yourself there. So I'm going to read the story out loud, and you guys are going to read along. Allison has 6 pens. Jeff gave her 2 more. How many pens does Allison have now? What's our second step?
Circle the 2 numbers.
Very good. Sydney, would you mind doing that for me? Thank you so much. Such a great job so far. All right. Now, Chelsea, what is our next step?
Draw boxes to show the numbers.
Great remembering. Can you come up here and do that for me, please? Excellent. And Sydney, what's the next step?
Count the boxes.
Great, count the number of boxes. Can you say that one more time for me?
Count the number of boxes.
So step 4 is what, Chelsea?
Count the number of boxes.
Excellent. So, can you count for me, Sydney?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome job. All right, and what's our last step?
Write the answer.
Write the answer.
Good job. Write the number to show the answer. The number of boxes is
8.
Great job. All right. So now I'm going to give you guys a practice worksheet, which I've actually made. Here you go. Nope, next one down. Very good. All right. So I'm going to read the first one aloud, and what are you going to do?
Listen to the problem and read along.
Okay. Ivan has 6 bottles of soda and then buys 4 more bottles. How many bottles of soda does Ivan have now? Okay. Everybody please do step number 2 on your paper. What is step number 2?
Circle the numbers.
Right. Chelsea, what numbers have you circled?
5 and 4.
Very good job. And I see you've done that too, Sydney. You guys have paid such close attention. All right. Sydney, what is the next step?
Draw boxes to represent the numbers.
Very good. We draw boxes to show the 2 numbers. So how many boxes will we draw in the first square?
5.
Very good. And how many boxes in the second square?
4.
Excellent. All right. Chelsea, can you tell me step number 4?
Count the number of boxes.
Please do that on your paper. And then complete step number 5. Very good. Now what did you write in the last box?
9.
And why did you write 9?
That's how many boxes there are.
Excellent job, Chelsea. You guys have paid such good attention. All right, so I'm going to give you a worksheet. And what's the first thing we do when we get our worksheets?
Write our name.
Our name on it.
Great job. Please do that for me. Remember, if you don't write your name on the worksheet, then I won't be able to give you credit for the work that you did. Okay, please look at the first story problem. I will read it aloud, and what will you do?
Listen
Listen to the problem and read along.
Very good job. Okay. There were 4 pigs on Jennifer's farm. Her uncle gave her 5 more pigs for her farm. How many pigs does Jennifer have now? Please do step number 2 on your papers. I will walk around and look to make sure you've done it. Excellent. And what numbers did you circle?
4 and 5.
Good job. Please do step number 3. Such fast workers. Can you do step number 4 for me, please? How many boxes did you count, Sydney?
9.
Great. And how many did you count?
9.
You got 9 too. Great job. Do number 5, please. All right. I'm going to read each problem aloud, and then you guys will silently complete each of the steps. We do that. Yay. Okay. Great job listening, class. I'm so glad when you guys are quiet and you do what I tell you to and you stay in your ready positions. Today we learned how to solve a 2-number story problem by drawing boxes to represent the numbers in the story problem and counting the boxes to solve the problem. Tomorrow we will practice this way of solving for 3-number story problems. Reset.